সে আমার সাথে একমত হলো না। He did not agree with me. He did not agree with me. জিনিসপত্রের দাম বাড়ছে। The prices of stuff are going up. The prices of stuff are going up. মোমবাতিটি নিভিয়ে গেছে। The candle has gone out. The candle has gone out. সে তার দায়িত্ব পালন করেছে। He has carried out his responsibility. He has carried out his responsibility. সে তার পুরনো কাপড়কে ফেলে দিয়েছে। He has cast off his old clothes. He has cast off his old clothes. আমাদের এখন বাস থেকে নামতে হবে। We have to get off the bus now. We have to get off the bus now. আমি তার খারাপ ব্যবহার সহ্য করেছি। I put up with his bad behavior. I put up with his bad behavior. সে খারাপ সময়ের মধ্য দিয়ে যাচ্ছে। He is going through bad times. He is going through bad times. আপনি আপনার কাজ করুন। Go about your job. Go about your job. আজকে আমার ছুটির দিন। Today is my holiday. Today is my holiday. Thanks.